Hello, welcome back to Buckland Junction. Postman's been again and he's brought a really nice brake fan. I can't believe the price I got this one for. I'm happy. It's got glass windows in the end of the cabin. It's got a chimney and it's London, Brighton and South Coast Railway brake van number 43. How about that? Yeah, nice. So that's the end of the buying brake vans. I got enough of them now, so that's a lovely addition to the fleet. This is one of many of the bridges and tunnels I've built. It's I call it the big boy. It's like some of the big bridges in London that span you know, quite large roads. It's, well, taken from some of the bridges I've actually seen around the country. So the biggest problem for me is it's too big. It's too high. The trains disappear behind it. The tunnel wasn't here. The tunnel was planned to be way back. But just the way things worked out, I've only got this little short piece here where you can see the trains and they're virtually hidden. So I'm going to cut this down, this bridge, quite considerably, and restyle it. So here we go. Come here. Yeah. It's miles too high. It was okay, but just the way things have turned out and the proximity of the tunnel to it is yeah, it just needs sorting. So let's remodify this bridge. It's now I'm back in the kitchen. I've simply put my grinder, the metal grinder, through the middle of the bridge and cut him in half. So that's that one, and the same with the other side. I've cut them and I've put on an edging. It's just oops, my magic 2mm packing card again. I've put on the edge. Whoops, yeah, I've put it. Sorry, oh, my camera work is rubbish, but there we go. So we're going to have a little paint up now, and we're taking back to the loft. So I'm not sure if I want this version. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, these that's the back side of the bridge. So yeah, I'm not sure whether I want this or there. Well, whatever happens, I shall end up with another 2 long bridge spans. So yeah, this might come back in in handy when I get back to my second reversing loop. So this bridge will span all of my rails that I need on the second reversing loop. So yeah, let's give it a lick of paint and a few little, put some gussets in there, you know. No bridges looks good without gussets. So I'll do that back in a moment. There we go then. We've added some little gussets here and there. And now I'm going to paint them grey and we're ready for the loft. So yeah, I'll just paint them grey first. Well, there we have it. Gusseted, painted. Once there was 2 and now there's 4. So that's really cool. So I'll go up and fit these in position and see what the difference is. Hopefully it will make viewing much better. So here we go. Well, before I put the bridges back in, I'm going to have a little rework on my landscape. So I'm not that happy with it, so I could mess it up totally, but I'm going to have a go. Here we go. Ever since I've done this scenery, I've not actually been quite happy with it. So I'm going to have another little go and see if we can yeah, make it just a little bit more convincing. So here we go. I'm using watercolour and well, I'll show you the end results. Hopefully that looks a little bit better. I'll put it in place in a minute when it's dry and put the bridges up and see what the whole thing looks like. So onwards and upwards, and then I'm going to have a little running session like normal. Back in a minute. Well, that's the hillside back in place. I'm not sure what to make of it yet, but yeah, where's that confounded bridge? Bridges. Oh. Alright. One. Two. And this needs to come back a bit to about there. Wow. Do I prefer that one, or would I like this one? No, I think that's okay. I'll save this for the other side of the layout. That's cool. So that's my reversing loop bridge, and this piece becomes obsolete because this was the magnet that stuck on the metals, but that's going to become a wagon load now. I've got another one very similar, so so that's a wagon load. Alright, let's have some trains running. I think the scenery is better than it was, but I'm still not exactly happy with it. Yeah, that is much better for viewing. Much better for viewing. It's a much tidier bridge as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. The scenery? Still struggling with it, but it hasn't cost anything but apart from time. So I put some what they call it, foliage along the top, just hither and thither. So yeah. The B17's on the branch line going up to the large station. Oh. Yeah, much better viewing. Oh, look. Oh, look. Battery lights flashing, but can we capture? Yes. Keep going. Whoa, why? I do not know why that is. Our BN17, she's on a real slow pace. I just keep stalling here. Why? I don't know. Look how clean the rails are. Uh-oh, another derailment. Okay. Oh, there goes my new brake van. How lovely that is, isn't it? Oh, yeah, good timing. I haven't seen those milk tankers or the tanker train for a long while. Oh, we just had to. We just had to. Yeah. Excellent. It's one of my favourite trains. Oh. That's what I wasn't expecting that. There she goes. Anything else? Ooh, good timing. Yeah, them bridges are much better. I very much like them. The visuals are much better. Oh, good timing, good timing. I think we're coming to the end of this video. I've got a warning, my memory disk is, my memory was... The mighty Hymek is waiting for an empty road. You're going to be there for a long time, darling. Now I want the station done. Oh, there's just so much to be done, but it's going to take another winter, I think. Dare I say that was a swear word. The winter hasn't ended yet. Well, can we do this? Can we do this? We might be able to. One. Oh, two at once. Oh my word. Trying to do this with the controllers behind my back is almost impossible. So this is the stars of the day. Let's move Terrier back a little bit. Oh, back. Come on. That's it. And that's better. Well, that's it today, good people. Hope you enjoyed that running session. I did. My bridges are well, my new bridge is in place. I'm quite happy with it for visual reasons. Why I've been messing around with a bit of scenery and a bridge, that man at Main Train has made a whole ship, a dockyard, and I'm just about to watch his latest video tonight. So let's see what that Mark's been up to. Hello, Mark. So I'm going to send them off, and that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, as I say, and yeah, here goes my new darling. Oh, that wasn't a very good start, was it? But there she goes on her way. Charing Cross, next stop. PS15 with the parcels. West Ham United's away with the Triang train, which has done quite well. And go on then, Terrier. Right, thanks everyone. I'll catch up with you soon. That's Alan at Buckland Junction, out.